In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Dear students, in this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.8, question number 10. Insert four harmonic means between the following given numbers. Part number 2, that is 7 divide 3 first term, second term 7 divide 11. Let H1, H2, H3 and H4 be the four harmonic means between 7 divide 3 and 7 divide 11. That is, first term 7 divide 3, second term H1, third term H2, fourth term H3 and fifth term H5. Sixth term 7 divided by 11. Then the reciprocal of each term, that is reciprocal of 7 divide 3 is 3 divided by 7. Reciprocal of H1 is 1 divided by H1. Third term reciprocal of H2 is 1 divided by H2. Fourth term reciprocal of H3 is 1 divided by H3. Fifth term reciprocal of H4 is 1 divided by H4. And sixth term reciprocal of 7 divide 11 is 11 divided by 7. So first term total terms is equal to 6. First term, that is here A1 is equal to 3 divided by 7. Last term, that is A6 is equal to 11 divided 7. A6 can also be written in the form of A1 plus 5D is equal to 11 divided 7. So by putting the values of A3 divided 7 plus 5D is equal to 11 divided 7. So 5D is equal to 11 divided 7. Take plus 3 divided 7 from left hand side to right hand side, minus 3 divided 7. So taking LCM equal to 7. So 11 minus 3 is equal to 8 divided 7. So dividing by 5 on both sides, D is equal to 8 divided by 5 multiply 7 is equal to 35. So common difference is equal to 8 divided by 35. 1 divided by H1 is equal to capital A1 is equal to small a2. A2 can also be written in the form of A1 plus D. So putting the value of A1 and D, so 1 divided by H1 becomes equal to 3 divided 7 plus 8 divided by 35. So taking LCM equal to 35. So 7 5 times 35, 5 3 times 15 plus 8 equal to 23. 23 divided by reciprocal of H1 is equal to 35 divided by 23. So next, 1 divided by H2 is equal to capital H2 is equal to A3. So A3 can also be written in the form of A1 plus 2D. So by putting the values of A1 and D, A1 is equal to 3 divided 7 plus 2 into D is equal to 8 divided by 35. So 2 8 times 16 divided by 35. So LCM of 7 and 35 is equal to 35. So 7 5 times 35, 5 3 times 15 plus 35, 1 times 35. So 1 multiply 16 equal to 16. 16 plus 15 equal to 31 divided by 35. So reciprocal of 1 divided by H2 is H2 equal to 35 divided by 31. So next, 1 divided by H3 is equal to capital A3 is equal to A4. So A4 can also be written in the form of A1 plus 3D by putting the values of A1 and D. So 1 divided by H3 becomes 3 divided by 7 plus 3 into 8 divided by 35. So 3 8 times 24 divided by 35. Taking LCM of 7 and 35 is equal to 35. So 35 LCM. So 35 7 5 times 35, 5 3 times 15 plus 35 1 times 35. So 1 multiplied 24 is equal to 24. 24 plus 15 is equal to 39. 1 divided by 8, 39 divided by 35. So reciprocals of 1 divided by 83 is equal to 83. So reciprocal of 39 divided by 35 is equal to 35 divided 39. So 83 is equal to 35 divided 39. Next fourth term, that is 1 divided by 84 is equal to A4 is equal to A5. A5 can also be written in the form of A1 plus 4D. So by putting the values of A1 and D, that is 3 divided by 7 plus 4 into 8 divided by 35. 4 8 times 32. So LCM or 7 and 35 is equal to 35. 7 5 times 35, so 5 3 times 15 plus 35 1 times 35, so 1 32s are 32, so 32 plus 15 is equal to 47 divided by 35. Taking reciprocal of 1 divided by H4 is equal to H4 equal to reciprocal of 47 divided 31 is 35 is equal to 35 divided by 47. So H4 is equal to 35 divided by 47, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture.